This business is just made up is a series of skill sets that you have to learn and develop over time. And once you've learned and developed these skill sets, topic research, title creation, book cover creation, review gathering, running ads, once you've learned and developed those skill sets to a high enough level, only then are you deserving of the income that will come in. But what's so cool is anybody on earth can develop those skills from anywhere in the world. And that is what makes this business so cool. The publishers who are making $5,000, $20,000 a month are not smarter than you. I always tell people, I've seen some very, very dumb people make a lot of fucking money in this business, a lot. And I'm like, how are they doing that? But it's just developing those skill sets. And if you take the time, I promise you, this business will change your life 100%. So the only question is, are you going to develop these skill sets today, or are you going to keep putting them off? So I encourage you, instead of watching your next KDP video, just stop, come join me in the Publish and Profit Challenge, and let me help you publish your first book for free.